How to make an easy Eevee product render. Make sure that you are in Eevee render engine. Go to 3D viewport and add light probes, reflection cube map, and irradiance volume. Enable ambient occlusion and disable bent normals. Then enable screen space reflection and disable half res trace and enable refraction if you have it in your scene. Next, go to shadows settings and enable height width depth and increase the cube size to 1024 pixel for better resolution. If you have lights in your scene, go to their properties and enable contact shadows for each one and decrease the thickness to 0.02. And finally, return to Eevee settings and bake your lights in the indirect lighting tab. Click bake indirect lighting. And now you can click render and see your image. So this is the video. See you in next one. Salam.